So hello everyone and thank you for joining us. Welcome to today's webinar on the transformative impact of augmented reality in manufacturing operations. So I am Hélène Drouet. I am a marketing expert for DELMIA Augmented Experience, and I'll be your host for this session, which will last about an hour. So during this session, we will explore how you can benefit from augmented reality for your manufacturing operations with examples of use cases, an overview of our AR solution, DELMIA Augmented Experience, and the recommendations on how to integrate it into your systems and real-life stories to inspire you.
Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, depending where you may be joining us. My name is Gabe Saad. I'm an industry process consultant with DELMIA, and my focus is around manufacturing operations management in the DELMIA Augmented Experience. And I'm going to kind of show you today how you could really get a lot of value by leveraging the DELMIA Augmented Experience. I'm going to refer to it as DAE in our discussion at times. Here are a few examples of use cases where AR can drive value. Incoming inspection of jigs and fixtures, assembly of complex parts and equipment. In today's presentation, I'm really kind of showing you how the DELMIA Augmented Experience is being used in line with the DELMIA MOM and our Innovia PLM system.